Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about arithmetic instruction of 8086 microprocessor. So these instructions are used to perform arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Okay. So in this instruction to be performed for first addition. In addition, we use the instruction like add, ADC, INC, AAA, and DAA. First add. Why we use add instruction? Used to add the provided byte to byte or word to word. And next ADC. ADC used to add with carry. Add with carry. Okay. And next one is INC. Used to increment. That means increment the provided byte or word by 1. And next is AAA, used to adjust ASCII after addition. And next is DAA, this used to adjust the decimal after the addition or subtraction operation, okay, for the addition. And next one is subtraction. For subtraction we use mainly sub, SBB, DEC, NPG, CMP, AAS and DAS, those instructions. Okay, so SUB, this used to subtract the byte from byte or word from word. Okay, next one is SBB, used to perform subtraction with bro. Okay, and next in DEC, used to decrement the provided byte from by 1. Okay, so next one is NPG, used to negate each bit of the provided byte or word and add 1 or 2's complement. Okay, CMP, used to compare two provided byte or word. AAS, used to adjust ASCII code after subtraction. And next one is DAS, used to adjust decimal after subtraction. Okay, after that I discuss about instruction to perform multiplication. For multiplication we use MUL, IMUL, AAM and those three instructions. Okay, so here MUL mainly used to multiply unsigned byte or bit or word. Okay, and IMUL used to multiply signed byte by byte or word. Okay, this is unsigned and this is signed byte. And next one AAM, used to adjust ASCII code after multiplications. Okay, next is instruction performed by division. For division we use mainly DIV, IDIV, AAD, CBW, CWD. Okay, so here DIV used to drive the unsigned word by the byte or unsigned double word by the word. Okay, IDIV used to divided the unsigned word by byte or signed double word by word. Okay, AAD, that's mainly used to ASCII code after division. CBW, this used to fill the upper byte of the word with the copies of sign byte of the lower byte, and CWD used to fill the upper word of the double word with the sign byte of the lower word. Okay, so that's are the instruction set for arithmetic operation in 8086 microprocessor. So thank you everyone, subscribe to my channel, see you in next tutorial.